Hello everyone, welcome back to Financial Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how you can log in your ICICI Bank online banking account on your phone device. Make sure you open your preferred browser. Now at the search bar, simply search ICICIBank.com. You will be logged into the official page of ICICI Bank. Now at the top right corner, you can see the option login. You can simply tap over there. Here you will get numerous options. We will choose the personal one. Now you will be led to this page. Now fill down your credential like your username, likewise your password. In case if you have forgotten your user ID or your password, you can simply tap on forgot user ID or password options so that they can guide you to get your account back. If you have your credential ready, then you can simply tap on login and you will be guided for the next step to get logged into your ICICI Bank account. And this is how simply you can log into your ICICI Bank online account on your mobile device. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.